LVA here. I'm going to do a demo and walkthrough of Why Don't We Just Dance by Alison Biggs and Peter Metelnick. Not sure on Peter's last name. I apologize if I messed that up. I want to show you a quick demo of Alison doing the dance, because I'm going to show, when I teach the dance, I'm going to show you the way she danced it. So I really like this one little movement she does. Okay, so I hope this works out. We have terrible internet here. Let's see here. Right there. One, two, three, and four. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Right there on that 5, 6. Cutie pie that she is. Love it. Okay, it's enough there. Whew, took a minute. She does this one part in the second section that counts 5, 6. Then it's read as a step hold, but you can also do a heel strut, which I think looks really cute. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough first for those who just want to get in here and, oh yeah, that's how you do it. And then I'm going to do a slow one. So here's the fast one. You're going to start out with weight on your left. You're going to do step, step, right kickball cross twice. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second section, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here it is, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Third section, 1, 2. Now, quick ball for pointing right, left, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fourth section, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, hold 8. Fifth section, and 1, hold 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Sixth section, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Seventh section, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Last section, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. At the end of round 4, full round, when you end round 4, you're at 12 o'clock, and you're going to do an 8-count tag before you begin the 5th round. And all it is a side rock, behind side cross, right side, and then do the same thing on the left side. It looks like this. Weights on your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So goodbye to those who are leaving me now. Okay, so now for a slow breakdown on it. From the top, weights on your left, a stepping right, left, and a right kickball cross for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 is the same thing. So here we go. Step, step, kickball cross, step, step, kickball cross. With counts on that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A side rock recover, 1, 2, behind, turn, step forward, you turn a quarter turn to the right, behind, turn, step, 5, 6, I don't want to run out of room here, 5, 6, this is the part I think is so cute the way she does it. Instead of just stepping forward, 5, hold 6, excuse me, you do a heel strut. Just putting your left heel down and then stepping down with weight on 6. 5, 6, and 7, 8. You just kind of almost like a shuffle, stepping right, left, right. And 7, 8. Just a little bit of syncopation there where it's a little bit different rhythm. Okay, so let's do that again. Side rock, and then we'll do it from the top. Second section, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. This takes a big kitchen to do this. Okay, next section. You're going to rock forward, recover, stepping forward with the left, recover right. And then you're going to want to do a right point to the right. So you're going to have to do a quick little ball step with that left. Okay? And go back on your right again. So 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to point to the left. And 4. 5 is taking your left foot behind you and unwind for 6. A right shuffle forward for 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay, so let's do that part again. You're going to weights on your right. You're going to rock forward, recover. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next section. You're going to rock forward, recover, another little ball step because we want to do a quarter turn pivot to the left. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 5 and 6 is a crossing shuffle. 5 and 6. Stepping your left foot to the side with a hold. 7, hold 8. So you want to make sure weight's on your left foot because the next section is going to start with your right. That again on that section. 1, 2, and 3, 4. I think it's the fourth section. 5 and 6, 7, hold 8. Let's do that much from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, hold 8. Okay, fifth section. You have weight on that left. You're going to do a quarter turn to the left with a hold. And 1, hold 2. Wizard steps, right and left. 3, 4, and 5. 6, and rock forward, recover. 7, 8. Let me do that. And 1, hold 2. 3, 4, and 5. 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, I was right. Okay. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, hold 8. and 1, hold 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, next section, you're going to do a full turn to the right, stepping right, left. Just remember that if you don't want to do the full turn back, just step back, right, left. You don't have to do the full turn. Right, left. A coaster cross, a right coaster cross, 3 and 4. A step together for 5, 6, 5, 6. Weights on your right now. A shuffle forward for 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Whew. Gosh, now I don't even know where I'm at. Oh yes, we did a crossing shuffle. 7, hold 8. Now this section, and 1, hold 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, coaster cross, 3 and 4. Side step together, 5, 6, shuffle forward, 7 and 8. That's a left shuffle forward. Okay, from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, hold 8. And 1, hold 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7th section, bleh, chasse right, 1 and 2. Chasse left with a quarter turn to the left, 3 and 4. Shuffle forward with the right, 5 and 6. And a rock forward recover for 7, 8. That section again. Weights on your right, weights on your left, start with your right. Chasse, turning chasse, shuffle forward, rock forward, recover. Okay, that again with counts on that section. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, hold 8. And 1, hold 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Last section, you're going to do 2 shuffle half turns to the left. The first one is stepping left, right, left, and then right, left, right. Here we go. 1 and 2, keep turning, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 is a coaster step, left, 5 and 6, and a right kick, ball, cross, and you start the dance again. With a step together, kick, ball, cross. Now, at the end of wall 4, you're facing 12 o'clock when this happens. We're going to do an 8 count tag. And it's very easy. It's side rock recover, behind side cross on the right side, same thing on the left side. And the count on that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fun dance by Alison Biggs and Peter Metelnick. And the song is great too. Why don't we just dance? So I hope you give it a try. Love y'all. Bye.